Welcome to this guide on how to pay with Revolut Junior virtual card. Revolut Junior is a digital banking service designed for children and teenagers to help them manage their money and make online purchases. To get started, you need to have a Revolut Junior account and a virtual card set up. First, you need to make sure your Revolut Junior account is funded. You can do this by asking your parent or guardian to add money to your account. Once your account is funded, you can proceed to make a payment. To pay with your Revolut Junior virtual card, you will need to provide the card details to the merchant. You can find your virtual card details in the Revolut Junior app. The details you need to provide are the card number, expiration date, and security code. When you are ready to make a payment, go to the merchant website or app and select the payment method. Choose the credit or debit card option and enter your Revolut Junior virtual card details. Make sure to enter the details correctly to avoid any issues with the payment. After you enter your card details, you will be asked to confirm the payment. Review the payment amount and details to ensure everything is correct. If you are happy with the payment, click Confirm to proceed. Once you confirm the payment, you will receive a notification from Revolut Junior to authenticate the transaction. You can authenticate the transaction using the Revolut Junior app. You will need to review the payment details and confirm that you want to proceed with the payment. After you authenticate the transaction, the payment will be processed and you will receive a confirmation from the merchant. You can also check your Revolut Junior account to see the payment has been deducted from your balance. It is essential to keep your Revolut Junior virtual card details safe and secure. Never share your card details with anyone and make sure to keep your device and app secure with a password or fingerprint authentication. In conclusion, paying with a Revolut Junior virtual card is a straightforward process. Make sure to follow the steps outlined in this guide and keep your card details safe and secure. If you have any issues with your payment, you can contact Revolut Junior customer support for assistance.